Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to earn money online. It's no wonder people are diving into this lucrative opportunity. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model where you earn a commission by promoting products or services. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you get paid. Setting a goal to earn $1,000 a month is realistic. This milestone can provide financial relief, help pay off debt, or fund your dreams. You'll learn how to pick a profitable niche that aligns with your interests, and the best affiliate programs for beginners. The first step in affiliate marketing is getting started. Identify topics you're passionate about and build a platform to promote your links. While $1,000 is a great milestone, it's just the beginning. Many marketers go on to earn much more as they scale their efforts. Affiliate marketing offers endless possibilities for extra income or financial independence. Let's dive in.